I like design build because you start from the beginning and you go all the way through to the end, but you don't just do it on your own discipline or yourself. You're in it with a team and you're learning about mechanical engineering, you're learning about architecture, you're learning about construction, and you start to understand the whole picture a lot more. And I think it's just a humongous value to anybody that does the design build work. Design build work for our region is very prominent because there's a lot of federal work that goes on in and around DC, and that's one of the major sectors that's really embraced design build. Langen is very fortunate to have this United States State Department Bureau of Overseas Buildings Operations as one of its clients. It was tough when the pandemic hit because a lot of that work relied on us being able to travel to these different countries and to experience the people there and the culture and really see the sites hands-on. And that was taken away. We immediately had to pivot and develop relationships with new companies in different countries that we've never met before, but really need to rely on them to get the answers. Whether it was partnering with local firms, seeing if they could fly aerial photography or drones, walking perimeters with GoPro videos, filming borings, whatever really required to get us as close to the real site visit as possible without actually being there. Some of the best things about working from Langen are you set your own path, and that's something I think you don't see at a lot of other places. If you have a good idea and you want to share it, we always want to listen and want to help you grow that idea. Heading into 2021 and beyond, we have new energy now, new leadership in Arlington, and really looking forward to seeing where we go from there.
Well, everyone uses data. The rate of growth in the data center industry was unprecedented in 2020. In particular, the North American data center market was marked by an increase in demand and resiliency of data center facilities. And some of these driving growth factors included tax incentives, more affordable power, 5G, and also a company's desire to be near their data center infrastructure. The Langen teams we have working on data center projects include a multidisciplinary group of engineers, scientists, landscape architects, and permitting specialists. And I tell you, they perform at the top of their game. These projects demand complete collaboration between the internal Langen team and the remainder of the AE design team. We are working on key data center projects around the country, from Northern Virginia to Silicon Valley, from Phoenix to New Jersey, and from Florida to Seattle. Our design teams even have international data center experience. As the e-commerce growth continues and the Internet of Things continues to help businesses, the need for data center facilities will also continue to grow. For the future, artificial intelligence and automation will be necessary as we produce more data. In fact, continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines are already using sophisticated artificial intelligence. Langen will continue to be part of this exciting market by being technically excellent and being responsive to the needs of our clients.